Meet the Unger Plug Play Commercial Window Cleaning Kit. Whether you're deciding what options to pick, or you've already got your kit and you need help setting it up, we'll timestamp that below. For comparing all other options, stick with me. This kit is for people who look after buildings, caretakers, site managers, commercial managers, and anyone who works on sites. This kit will give you the ladder-free cleaning results you need without the headache of sourcing all the different parts. Choosing the right kit is simple for you. You have two choices to make. Choice number one is the pole length. Choice number two, filtration system. Everything else is included in the kit for you. Every kit also includes the Unger N-Light soft brush, 25 meters of pole hose with quick release connectors, an adjustable angle neck adapter, and a hydropower water filtration unit with built-in TDS meter, and all the necessary fittings are included. Pick the reach that matches your site. 10 meter pole is ideal for 1 to 2 stories, whereas the 12.3 meter pole is ideal for 1 to 3. Both are lightweight carbon and easy to transport. Pick your filter by the size of your site. The small unit is compact and ideal for 1 to 2 stories or shorter runs. The large unit with built-in trolley gives you more capacity and runtime for 1 to 3 stories or longer routes. If you're unsure, large gives more headroom. Step 1. Feed the hose into the hydropower unit. You need a 1/2 inch hose with a female hose lock fitting from your water source to the unit. If you already own one, you can use that. If you don't, you can buy a 3 meter or 50 meter 1/2 inch hose lock feed hose as an optional purchase, depending on your needs. Step 2. Connect the feed hose to the water in. Step 3. Purge the air using the lever. Step 4. Check the TDS reads 0. Step 5. Extend the pole, clean top to bottom. Then finish by rinsing with the brush's built-in jets. To summarise, choose the pole length based on the stories you clean. Choose the filtration size based on expected runtime. Down below we'll have options to purchase and a quick start PDF to help you along your way. Thanks for watching.